everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm the iTunes fanboy, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Sierra Blue 1TB iPhone 13 Pro Max. So for those of you who don't know, my mom back in December got this gold iPhone 13 Pro 512 gigabytes when she intended to get a 13 Pro Max and 1TB. But she thought she could live with this, but she can't live with 512 gigabytes. So she got the 1TB option because she takes a lot of photos and such for her business. So as you can tell, comparing these three boxes all together, this one right here is an 11 Pro Max box. You can tell just how much thicker the 11 Pro Max's box is compared to the 13 Pro Max box because Apple was mean and had to remove the earbuds and charging brick. So let's go ahead and let's start actually unboxing this. So here, as you can tell, we just have two pull tabs. Okay, and so now as you can tell, we have the actual box. And the first thing that you see here is the actual phone, which we will set aside. This phone is actually kind of heavy, but yeah, and then we get our Lightning, the USB-C charge cable. I'm just going to unwrap since my mom does oftentimes like me save the cables. And right here we have our Designed by Apple in California manual with our one Apple sticker this time instead of two like they used to. Basic warranty guide and such, and the actual SIM ejector tool. So yeah, that is that. And in case you're wondering, no, I won't be getting my mom's old iPhone 13 Pro because my dad will be getting her old 13 Pro because my dad's iPhone 11 Pro Max will be getting the charging port broke on it. So as you can tell right here we have the paper with the labels for mute switch, volume up, volume down, power, lightning, and then right here we have our camera with our LiDAR sensor, which is kind of useful for augmented reality, a flash, 3 cameras, and the Apple logo. No iPhone text or anything like that, so now we can just take it off for the first seal, and we get our 13 Pro Max notch. So now all that's left to do is to power it on, as until I get the Apple logo. So let's just set so now let me just put the contents of the box back in, excluding the Lightning USB-C cable, which my mom will probably need. As you can tell, here we get this classic hello screen from the iMac G3. My mom won't let me set up or anything because my mom is very, very picky about me unboxing her stuff. So, thank you guys for watching this video. This is the iTunes fanboy, and please interact with stuff below, including the dislike button. And as always, peace out.